The secret waterfalls of MacLeod. Oh.
Yeah, it's very tiny.
It's not just secret, it's also extremely tiny. Walking to find the waterfalls. Fog is lifting. Sun is coming out. Hi, Fude. Whoop! Oh, quite steep. That's not bad. Whoop! Ooh, lots of nice views. Whoop! Whoop! Whoa! That's secret waterfall number 1. Wow! Whew.
They stink after about 3 hours.
Yeah, you smell like cat piss.
Like a, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, and also if the stuff next to your skin, I'm going to take them off.
So this is the way, or what?
Oh yes, this happens.
Follow dog.
Is the path up there?
Yeah, with the filter. Whoop! Oh, darkness and cold. Walking downhill, discussing stuff. Very steep and very beautiful. Almost coughed out my lungs to get up this hill, and now we're going back down. Hello, Futte. Ja, se her, Futte. Se. Ja, kom her, Futte. Du skal filmes. Futte, kom her. Se her. Ja, se. Åh, det er godt. Ja, Futte. Ja, det er godt. Ja, final waterfall. Whoop! Don't fall down. Oh, it's quite big. 4 meters or something. You see anything? Futte, ikke derned. Can't really get the scale on the GoPro, but it's gorgeous. Done with the waterfalls and heading back. Sun is up. It's very hot. Maybe 14-15 degrees. Back to MacLeod, end of the ecotrail.